Hi, I'm Neil, Head of Facilities at Burton South Derbyshire College. We look after everything to do with the facility and the estate, from cleaning to health and safety to doors and windows to the whole fabric of the building, everything that learners sit on, use, everything around it. Well, we put it out to tender. Spotless, we're keen. The college has used Spotless before on another project, and some spot cleaning. To be honest, from our side, the local company was the pull to support local business. The numbers added up at the same time with the budget, so that helped. But yeah, just having that local contact, using local people.
Brilliant.
The supervision, the deployment of the cleaners into certain areas to make sure all areas are clean, working with Pete and the team, monthly meetings which you never had before, on progress and attendance and all that kind of thing. It's been really slick and really smooth. Yeah, and everyone has commented that it is a cleaner campus, and things we're doing to make things feel cleaner. Even the deep cleaning half terms, people are noticing staff in corridors deep cleaning things, whereas they never saw that before. Oh, no news is good news for me. Less feedback the better, really, from a staff point of view. And it obviously makes our job a lot easier. We've got a lot of things going on with the campus, the developments and everything else going. So to have less headaches with on the cleaning side is much better. Not just being your team, it's our team as a college as well. So we really, the cleaners that have moved across and certainly the new cleaners that have come in have all supported the college and its ideas, and really trying to take the college to the next level with how it looks and feels. Yeah, absolutely. Second to none really from our point of view. So.